Hello and welcome to another product demonstration video from PARS. Today I'm demonstrating the Traveljoy, which is manufactured in Taiwan and distributed by us here in the Midlands, the aluminium folding sack truck. This particular model only weighs 4.4 kilos, and as you can see from its compact design, it fits in and out of the back of the vehicle with ease. To use, you simply fold down the footplate, which at the same time folds out the wheels. 175mm smooth roller bearing rubber wheels, which are ideal for going up and down curbsides, and simply press the button in the middle here to expand the handle up to a suitable height, and away you go. As you can see, it's fitted with an additional bungee, which is super for securing the load to the truck. And as I say, it's very easy to use and simply fold away when finished to store in the back of your vehicle. Thank you.